Yes, chapter. In this video, we are going to start our new chapter, that is physical and chemical changes. In class 6, already we have studied about what is change, what is physical change, what is chemical change, what are the other types of changes. But in this class, we are going to study more about physical and chemical changes. And in this particular video, we are going to study about physical changes in detail. In that, we will see what is physical change, what are the properties of physical change, and what are the examples of physical change. So we will study in detail in this particular video. So let's start. Major points will be introduction, types of changes, what is physical change, and characteristics and examples of physical change, and then we will do some assignments. So let's start with the introduction. Every day we come across so many changes, whether it is physical, chemical. We are not going to discuss in this slide ki what are the changes. We will discuss in later slides, but if you see, there are changes each and every second. Suppose you have switched on light and you have in the night. Now it is morning time, you are most probably not using light. So switching on and doing off light is again one type of change. Then day and night, it is a kind of change. So in that way, so many things are happening. Few examples are there, like milk becomes sour. So souring of milk is again an example of change. Making a sugar solution is an example of change. हम घर पे दही जमाते हैं, वो भी एक चेंज का एग्जाम्पल है. अगर दूध से दही नहीं बनता, चेंज नहीं होता, तो यू कांट से दैट देयर इज एनी चेंज इन मिल्क. और मिल्क में अगर चेंज नहीं होता तो फिर आपको ये कभी नहीं, दही खाने के लिए कभी नहीं मिलती. तो हमने देखा है कि चेंजेस क्या हैं, उनका बेनिफिट क्या है. इन क्लास 6 ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस इन दैट, बट इन दिस class 7th we are going to study more about physical changes. So if you see, we can divide changes broadly into two categories. One is physical change, another one is chemical change. So here we are going to study more about physical change. But before starting this lesson, I am requesting you have to perform activities which are given in your NCERT book. That activity you have to perform is 6.1, 6.3 and 6.4. So this is my request to you, all of you, you just complete this activity and then you move forward with this video and you can make notes of it. So let's start with physical properties. So physical properties of a substance are those characteristics of a substance that describes its nature. What nature? Physical nature. Example: color, density, shape, size and volumes are example of physical properties. Let's see with the help of picture. जैसे हम कहते हैं सी गोल्ड इज शाइनी, देखिए सोना चमक रहा है. So we are hearing some sound. This is again example of physical properties. We are feeling that rubbers are soft but iron is very hard. We touch something and we feel that this ceramic pot is hard. कठोर है. We are getting smell of something. It may be good or it may be bad, but we are getting smell. This is again example of physical properties. We are measuring. We are taking milk in measured way. Suppose 1 glass of milk, 1 liter of milk, 1 liter of oil, 1 bottle of water. So these are again especially example of physical properties. We are measuring, we are calculating these things in physical terms. That's why these are known as physical properties. Now we will discuss about physical change. So in a physical change, a substance undergoes changes only in its physical properties such as shape, size, color and state, and no new substance is formed. This is the major thing in physical change. This is the major identification of physical change. You can say that there will be no formation of new substance. There may be change in size, there may be change in color, there may be change of state, there may be change of shape, but no new substance will be formed in physical change. So what are the characteristics in physical change? Changes are temporary in nature, and most of the time this can be reversed. Not all the time. Children, you should make in your mind that physical changes are reversible, but not all the time. In such a change, no substance is formed. New substance will not be formed during physical changes. So what are the major properties? You can say that no substance is formed in this change. It is a temporary change and is generally reversible. This we need to take care of, that it is generally reversible, means most of the time this can be reversed, but not all the time. A temporary change in color may take place. Very little energy, that is heat etc. is either absorbed or evolved. देखिए, अगर हम किसी चीज़ को शेप देना चाहें तो भी हमें एनर्जी की ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है, किसी चीज़ का शेप बदलना चाहें तो भी हमें एनर्जी की ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है. जैसे यू आर क्रशिंग अ बॉटल, किसी बॉटल को यूज़ करने के बाद यू आर क्रशिंग, जब आप इसे मोड़ते हैं तो आपको प्रेशर अप्लाई करना पड़ता है. सो दीज आर द मेन characteristics of physical changes. Now what we are going to do, we will see examples of physical change one by one. This is first example, cutting of a paper. जब हम किसी पेपर को लेके उसको टुकड़ों में काटते हैं, अलग अलग पीस करते हैं, तो क्या करते हैं हम, पेपर की क्वालिटी को चेंज नहीं कर रहे हैं. देयर इज नो चेंज इन क्वालिटी ऑफ द पेपर. पेपर विल remain in form of paper only, but the shape and size of paper will change. So this cutting of paper is an example of physical change. Another example is melting. So melting of ice, melting of butter, melting of sometimes salts also, it gets wet. So that may not be considered. Normally we are saying that salt is also melting, sugar is also melting, that is another one. But these are the major example you are seeing in this picture, that ice is melting, this butter is melting, butter you can say ghee also. So this is melting. So this is again example of physical change. Why we are saying that example of physical change? When ice is melting, it is converting into form of liquid, but you know that this ice is made up of water, and liquid again it is in water, so there is no change in property. This butter, it change into liquid, but the property remain as butter, so there is no change in property. That's why this is an example of physical change. Now another example, dissolving sugar or salt in water. कभी आप देखिए, जब आप शरबत बनाते हैं तो आप जब मिक्स करते हो तो ये चीनी पानी के साथ मिक्स हो जाती है. जब मिक्स हो जाती है तो आप देखिए चीनी की प्रॉपर्टी चेंज नहीं होती, चीनी मीठी रहती है, और जब आप शरबत पीते हो तब भी आपको मीठा ही लगता है. सो देयर इज नो चेंज इन प्रॉपर्टी. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज अगेन एग्जांपल ऑफ फिजिकल चेंज. मैशिंग पोटैटो. जब आप पोटैटो को मैश करते हैं, स्मैश करते हैं, जब आप उसे घर पे खाना बनाते समय बॉयल करने के बाद जब उसे स्मैश करते हैं, आप अलग अलग चीज़ें बनाने के लिए, चाहे जो कुछ भी, चाहे आप पूड़ी बना रहे हो, चाहे आप पराठा बना रहे हो, जो भी चीज़ें आपको आलू को स्मैश करने के बाद बनाना है, सो यू आर नॉट चेंजिंग द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ पोटैटो. पोटैटो विल रिमेन एज पोटैटो, वेदर इट इज़ इन फॉर्म ऑफ it is in form of a round, say it is in round form, or it may be in a distorted form, but property of potato will not change. Sawing of wood, जब आप लकड़ी को काटते हैं तो लकड़ी लकड़ी ही रहती है, but here you can say that you can't reverse this. आप चाहें तो ज्वाइंट करके बना सकते हैं, लेकिन आफ्टर कटिंग ड्यूरिंग साइंग, जब आप उसे छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में काट रहे हैं तो आपको छोटा छोटा बुरादा दिखता है. एंड कन्वर्टिंग अगेन दोज बुरादास दैट पाउडरी थिंग्स इनटू wood, it will be difficult. So that's why sawing of wood is a physical change, but this cannot be reversed normally or in a normal situation. So another example is disappearing of puddle. जैसे आप बारिश होती है, बारिश होने के बाद आप देखते हैं छोटे छोटे गड्ढों में पानी दिखता है, लेकिन जैसे ही सनलाइट होती है, तेज सनलाइट होती है, आपको कुछ समय बाद वो पानी गायब होता हुआ दिखाई देता है. बट वेयर दिस वाटर हैज़ गॉन, कहाँ गया? ये वेपर के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हुआ. आपको पता है कि आइस मेल्ट होता है तो लिक्विड बनाता है, और जब लिक्विड को वेपराइज करते हैं वो वेपर के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, लेकिन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ वाटर विल रिमेन सेम. तो डिसअपियरिंग ऑफ पडल, ये जो पानी का छोटा छोटा जो तालाब जैसे आपको दिखाई देते हैं, ये गायब हो जाते हैं. तो दिस इज अगेन एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फिजिकल चेंज, क्योंकि फिर से बारिश होगी तो फिर से यू विल गेट दिस विल रीअपियर, पडल्स विल रीअपियर. Another example, that will be the last example of this particular video, that soil erosion. Soil erosion क्या होता है? Erosion, that is loss of soil, upper layer of soil. तो ये लॉस कैसे हो सकता है? ये होता है पानी से, ये हो सकता है हवा से, ये हो सकता है फिजिकल इरोजन. तो ये आप देख रहे हैं, आपको कटाव दिखाई देता है. जैसे कई नदी के किनारे आजकल रेनी सीजन है, तो यू आर गेटिंग दैट देयर इज सॉइल गॉट इरोडेड, वहाँ से कटा हुआ पानी बह गया. जब गर्मी के दिन में देखते हैं धूल उड़ती है, द अगेन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इरोजन, दैट इज द वन ऑफ द रीजन विंड ड्यूरिंग समर, एंड दिस टाइम इट इज़ वाटर. तो सॉइल इरोजन, मिट्टी का कटाव जो इसके कारण होता है, दिस इज अगेन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फिजिकल चेंज. सो वी हैव डन few examples of physical change, and now we will see that what assignments you have to do. So first and foremost thing you have to do is you have to make notes of the slide, and if possible you have to draw pictures that is given in the PPT. Few pictures are not very important, you can leave it, and if you are feeling that few pictures are very difficult to draw, you just leave it, but few things are easier, you can make a note of it. And more thing is that there are so many examples of physical change available around you, so at least 5 examples, you can add more even that. Okay, so 5 example you have to add in your notebook, and if possible you have to draw picture of it in your notebook. Okay, so these are the resources, and you can have more information regarding that. You just type in your Google and you will get more resources regarding that. Thank you. Have a nice day.